Man fi use a that mask ya a look, but in a fear old age she nah go get no man fi use, cause man fi use a that mask ya a look. In a fear old age she a look, man fi look. Speak me mind, na mask ya old age she a look, man fi look. Look man for you, she a look man for you. She realize say time a done pan her, and she can't make up back the hands of time. So she a look people boy picnic, fish to her burn upon cause. Man for use, man say a look, man for use. In a fear old age she not go get no man for use. Man for use as man say a look. In a fear old age she not get no man for use. What's up against people my family, man say a look man for use. And her demand of this man that she want is so high because what? She wants somebody to help her with all her misfortune of her life that she caused on herself because want to live hype life. So now she want a man to marry too. After she have been through 2 married and 1 man escape. Because when 1 man realize when they will get himself in, him run away. And remember that the man didn't need documents. And him can run away. Remember now, you know, every Jamaican me know glad to marry to a foreigner. Because he want documents, because he want to run away from Jamaica. But this gentleman run away from Marcy and her documents. After ring by, that Shafi all start sport the ring herself. Complain about this ring lost many times and she find it back. So now she want a man to use because she want a man to come help her catch up back on the all the waste of time. It not gonna work. You alone can't do it, but it still not gonna work with a man. Because which man gonna pick you up in a year age now, Marcia, and married to you, and come give you all of your demand what you want. Look at your age and you want a man to marry to and come with 1 bag of demand. And you don't have nothing to carry to the table. And at the same time, this man you will I go marry to you, him can't get up and tell you, oh, wifey, you know that I need some coffee in bed. Not a ras. Not a pot. And you cuss clot. Him can't get up and say, oh, I want this for dinner today. And you get up and cook it. But you want the man to come fit all of your expense. Could on your toe. You never did price back then, much less now. You never did price back then. If a man pick you up and do all of that. And now when you reach up in a age and all about your wrinkle and turn white. All if you diet it turn back white in our next day. You want man to come pick up all of your expense and your load and carry. Your load want more than camel. Speak to my people. You don't know what they do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend and hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. And please, I beg you to watch the ads. Continue to support my backup channel, which is Life is a Mission TV, right over there, so. Yeah, right over there, so. It now have to take no, you don't have to take no bus, no train, no car, no helicopter, no jet to go over there, so. Right there so you can stay. Bang, 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 and subscribe to Life is a Mission TV. And if you're over here, so, congrats. I must say congrats again to the people them. It has moved now from 20%. I remember it did at 23.8. It come down to 23%. What do you make check it? It come down to 19%. No, 20%. And now it is at 18 point something percent. I don't remember what is the point. So we still have 3% more of who over here, so in the haters seat. Sit down. You don't realize when you sit down. Look behind and look where mark behind you now. Non-progressive and haters. Look behind it on the seat. Remember, you know, when you go certain place, you know, the seat number. So you know it, like if you're going on a plane, you say seat number 4, and that's how you sit down. You understand? So these seats are numbers over here. We have 15% of the seat. We put it there for haters because they can help the channel to grow also. You understand? And we mix it up with past buyers and people who want fast. So if you want to be a hater passed by our people who are fast, sit down over there at the 18.5% and don't get yourself in the family over here. So you can know when anything I go on and anything I share within the family, you can know. Because we don't share certain things outside of the family. No insurance, not there, so it's only the right in the family. So take yourself out of it. Same like how 23.8 can come down to 18 point odd. We have 3% left. Forget reader. So we have 85% of you people who have been subscribed to the channel or are watching. Let's get it there. It's not hard to do. Look at your seat, look at yourself, and think where you want to be. If you want to be in the non-progressive area, non-ambitious area, or you want to be in the haters area, you name it. You make me know where you want there. By Monday, I will tell you which part you know want there. All over there right now. Alright. Headache, no Panadol, no Fensic. No Cataflam can't stop them headache right now. Because if them never believe it, remember the video is all about Marcia, they just have to say one something. If them never believe say it never happen, or if them did a pray if it not happen, or if them did a wonder if it ever happen, no one know say it ever happen. Why? People, all of who did feel like say 99 now go be because she now go here before come to Jamaica. And all of who did have this big question sign over their head a drive and a walk and a run with. It is finally confirmed. Uno can't stop have question sign now. Uno question has been answered. 99 will be festive. Come December, 99 will be festive. So all who did a pray for the green card no come true. By them time they fit 99 festive. Me sorry for uno now uno head ha go bust off. And uno head ha go hurt off. Hey 99 festive. Come December 99 festive. Cake season again. Int. If you think the int never real, few days ago it real now. You hear a price man today? Hey. Cake season, so me start shop and me I go stock up the storeroom. If you don't hear that yesterday, you never believe. No one will go and believe. So all the question sign and the wondering over. So no better did up and you see the worst part of it. You so educated and business minded, you never have plan B, you know. Every time you come out here with plan A only. And if you're a real person in life and doing business to invest, you're supposed to have plan B and C. If you're in a mind sharp, all D and E. Because anything possible to happen. And you don't want to get caught in the line and can't come out. So you have to have plan B and C. Now just come out here with plan A like you a master guy that you know how the things are going to set up. And what going to happen from when are going to happen. See it then now. All the prayer owner pray said, do not make sure get the green card, do not make sure get the green card. Me want to have this Christmas to myself. Because me can't contain the man of England. And me can't contain anybody else but boy. This woman here, she have me out bad. So here what? Do not make sure get the green card, do not make sure get the green card. Do not make sure get the do not make. People, question over. Baking is there at 99. Come December. Hey! Drop down. Make them call the emergency service for you. Anyway, people, make we get into the video. As you see the title. Speak my mind, people, as you see the title. Curly want man. She want husband, you know. You know, have heard that's over a period of time for the past week. She want husband. But why she want husband? After how much years? And she come out here just a year ago say she don't want to marry again. But all of a sudden the pressure take her and bust her pipe. She want husband because she realize she alone never can make it in her life. And recover from her bad deeds. So she need help. But she want it in the form of married to a man because you don't know when you're married, you know. You know that boy, if you know do certain signing and sitting, woman come see it where you have, she leave that alone. What me make with in marriage, share for us. Now you do certain signing. Curly want to take what you have. So be careful man out there who curly coming after. Anyway, make we get into curly. No time to waste. It's curly time.
Living in a Ross vehicle.
Oh, sorry people.
Yes, I live in there.
Curly admit, yeah, she admits that she live in her vehicle. But she already off as joke. Curly, come on. Many nights in the vehicle you sleep. Many nights is in the vehicle you sleep. Many nights you coming like a whole car upon a tow truck. You know, so I'm going to make a thumbnail for you for that. I want to look on the thumbnail. Yes, man. Curly, many nights you sleep in your mobile vehicle. So don't come run it off like it's a joke thing. Many night time in your vehicle you sleep. You go around and you search the best parking area during the day in Connecticut. And that's where you jack up. Enough night, Curly. Come on. Come on, Curly. I go and make a tow truck for you with your pan top of it. Your mobile resting place.
Make sure say yes. Only for money in it. Living at this house. I may live in there because I can pay for. It fully pay for me no not a cent penny. Me have the title for it. Just as how they have a title for them house, me have a title for my vehicle. And for me house can move and for their house can move that for you move. My house can travel anywhere across America. One for your house have to sit down one place and whosoever house sit down one place and can move while my one can move and go enjoy my life.
But Curly, your house not no value. It's a 1 bedroom that. We are through out pan about 7 or 8 bedroom or 6. You don't need to have your house a move. But America you live. You have a lot of mobile there is some house America, you know, but not like your own. One that can take up and move from here to there. You have a few out here in Jamaica too. You understand? But that is when you have plan to run here, there and everywhere. Or you live in some area where it's probably disaster area. So you go there when time out of the season. And when the season come, you have to move. Yes. But you come, you start talk like you feel mighty about you living to a mobile home. But people who don't understand, when we say mobile home, we're not talking one where you take up and move on trailer and then sitting there. You know. We are talking our van. To them, see she show one new quilt where she buy it pretty, it this, it that, it what. And when me look to the amount of garbage, you know, I see him say you treat it in that Woodland Village, you know. I see him say you treat it. Just like how you treat the van, see him so. Every garbage, everything you yam. You just throw down and you know, take them out after you get up and park and reach here where you see rubbish bin. And I see him, I used to sit down in a Woodland Village, you know, this, you know, even if I set your sack or what you have. And bite the crab leg them and then fly all over, bite this, eat that, eat, and them drop out. We never see it broom nor map or not nor wipe. We never hear you even say you're done. Eat the crab leg and you go wash off your hand or you go to a bathroom. Cause if you even eat the crab leg in a night there and the next thing is your bed and you not go bathroom, you just go wash and no man you need a bed. Curly, you know, say I feel like you're afraid of water and a whole Curly. You know, like wash. And it seems like you know, like bathe. I want to say that's why you enjoy the life where you live. Because you can't just live into disposable clothes. And you recycle the one where you don't feel like dispose. And just like how you just use wipes and wipe up and wipe up and wipe on down, wipe up. You know, like bathe. I just feel like you know, like water, Curly. You know, like water. And that's why when you're there at the hotel, you have boast how much you can swim and how much pool there. So you have that and you have this and you have that. And one time you ever try going to the pool to prove to us, say yes. And because such woman did down a country, I do fear a little work what she do her promote the hotel down there. She go in the pool. You come and show say you can't swim. And me I tell you, not a turkey no look like turtle, no look like you're going down in the water. And all you do a walk in the water and the pond. I walk, you know, and I go on like a swim, you swim. When you swim, you 2 foot them for half of the flooring of the pool bottom. You must dip on the pool bottom and walk on the pond like you swim. I walk, swim that. Not even in the Olympics you have that the contest there. Walk and swim. Not even in the Olympics. So I have a good feeling say you're afraid of water, Curly. And Curly, when you go take off your slippers, because when you park up today, you know, and go buy the food, you know, the junk food and let the life run, you know, when me look by you know, the green suit when you're in the slippers, me I see same way, you know. But I tell you, I wait name Coach or Coachy. A Coach it name? Coach will never want you advertise nothing for them. Me I tell you honestly, Curly, Coach will never want you advertise nothing for them. Come tell the people them you want a man, you want a husband. Talk to the people them. I know me I talk to them and you. Tell them what you need, Curly, tell them what you need. Go on your knees and tell them what you need. Tell them what you need, Curly, what you need. You need a husband to come Hype you up. You need a husband to come. Love you up. You need a husband to come. Kiss you up. Tell them what you need, Curly. Tell them what you need. Tell them what you need. Curly, come tell people. How I'm to you, man. You text them, come tell people what you need. What different Curly you live in your van?
I love New York City, yes, but me like the fresh air and the whole heap of trees them. Me get used to Connecticut now. Me would have moved back to New York City, but me not pay no bit of money there. It's a time, young time, no fool. And in my old age, I could live in Connecticut, in New York City, as a single woman. If me have a husband, then yes, fine, but not as a single woman. All your money is going to go to rent. Me an idiot.
Man for use, Curly, I look. Man for use.
If you have a good job, no
See why she look a man for use?
You work from paycheck to paycheck, have a little home care job, have a little nursing job. You cannot survive.
You come take up our expense. What you gonna bring to the table? Nothing at all. Nothing cook you don't want to for your husband. But if you do everything, pay all the bills.
If I have a man, and the both of us can go. And me not see the reason why I work in New York City, because being there in New York City, I never gone away either. Me cock up all life in my house and go home and come back, and me not even go a party. You want a little, when you get older, you want a little bit more, less congested environment.
You want all of that. But at the same time, at the same video, you come say, I'm not saying I won't go back to New York City to live. Yes, I will go back to New York City to live. But it's still when you get in the older. So by the time you go back to New York City to live, Father God coming up. And by them time, you might get to an husband, you know. How old are you going to be by them time? If you're still alive, how old are you going to be? You're up in your hundreds, you know. Because you're not finding a husband for now, you know, Marcia. If you ever start force wifeship and this man, yeah, not even you see and bolt no fast so. When him done finish. And when you look at him, you see him come like a cartoon character. And when you look at him, you see smoke there behind you. Not even Asaf or Shelly and Fraser who come out of the back so fast. For this man you run. Just try force it and tell this man I say you're serious. Not run no joke. And make him say you're serious. And save this man in a run gone left you. No husband out there for you, Marcia. None at all. Any husband you have a pick up out there or have out there for you can't meet your requirement. He might look help himself like you. And when him see you come, welcome to Father Olam. Welcome to Salvation Army. Poor him no know say you yourself a try welcome Salvation Army and Father Olam. Cause you not have it for half of what him want. So you will never get a husband out there because no man now pick you up and share all that way you expect. At your age right now, with nothing to bring to the table, the personality where you have where you feel like it's a good one. And you say no man can't dictate to you. So if this man come in your life with all your stay and decides, oh come on, you're getting up in age now and we're going to start a new life at our age. You're not going to wish to do that. So that make it worse. No man not pick you up in your age right now. And offer you all the way you want. You prefer to look a fresh, young 21, 23-year-old. Well, you don't have nothing more for offer, you know. You don't have nothing more for offer. You come like when you plant cucumber. Cucumber bear nothing, you know. When you reap it all 3-4 times based on me understand, you will still get the cucumber off it. But you see when it done. You can't get not even a single one. Probably if a sweet potato you get a little one dig up and can't get 2 little sweet potatoes still a budge out. Them have a name then call them one them in a member but them still can't eat a sweet potato, you know. But them get a name. So the crop actually done and butter catch. Just like butter catch back here, there and everywhere. Yes. You coming like cucumber. Right now you can't bear back. So what man I do with you? We talk about wife. You better go look one of them old man the way you look after. Retire with you. Cause something you look, so you will be able to get something this up.
You want You want less.
Who are you to?
You want less conscious. You want a little bit more fresh air.
You want to live life the way it's
Full of
supposed
fresh
to
air.
live when it's too late. All because you want to come live off of people
space.
expense. A man expense you want to come live off of people boy pick me you want to turn in an idiot.
Run up traffic.
People boy pick me you want to come turn in a fool. Look at you.
And I like the entertainment of the art for them. It's just that you have to go home early. That's all. All you have to do is to prepare yourself. And go to New York. Go party. That's all. And if you're out for the weekend, and you have some single friend here for the weekend, go get one cheap hotel and spend the weekend in New York City and come back up Sunday. If you have a girlfriend and you have a girlfriend and them as persons who love to party and go out, go rent for a hotel. We do have double bed in it.
Atan Kakati, Marcia, ever thinking about free or share? And not share where a share. She want to live certain life and she see people to incorporate with her in helping her to live fair life. Oh, let's go to Paris. You can't go to Paris and she sweet talk the person because she want backup. She go like a she star in a third World Cup when the man them say back up, Kingston Wharf, back up. You ever want backup? You can't go in your good savings where all these years of home care that you have done and all these money where you work. Where your savings there? You can't take out yourself without somebody have to contribute towards it one way or the other. Eh? You live at Connecticut and you want to go to New York for the weekend. Come on. At your age, you're supposed to enjoy your little money where you put on back in the days when you have been working. Because you say you have been working from year 19. So where's your savings? You never plan for this day and age? Oh. You never know say they are reach this age in life. Oh. Or you never know say life was going to get a little bit harder on you. The older you get, you think the older you get, life is going to get easier on you. Oh. So you never plan for them time of your age, yeah, and them time of your life, yeah. So you want people boy people now for use. Could you talk about you want husband? You never did have 2 husbands before. And nearly have 3. And the man sends what go on and cut left you. Documents or no documents. Me gone.
I'm going to New York City from Friday night. And your party Saturday Friday and Saturday if you want to go out. And come back Sunday to go work. That's all.
You want to live expensive and you can't afford to live expensive. Why you want to live expensive and you can't afford to live expensive? You just want to live off of people just like that? Simple.
That's all I got to do. But I like the less congested. New York is too crowded. There is nowhere to park.
Come on. Don't play it off now and take us a fool out here. That's not the reason. You cannot afford New York. You already said that. New York is too expensive. You're not going to work, and then when you work to pay rent. Which that's not wise. I agree with you. You have to be working 2 or 3 jobs, and then when you're done work, when you look, you have to be paying bills. Rent alone take the whole of it. Don't play it off now. Just make the public know that you're not in the state to afford to live in New York. I when I say state, maybe I mean the state of the country. You personally not in a state. You understand? Financially, you're not in a state to live in New York. Plus, your age right now, nobody not hire nobody. And as you said, probably go doing some home care work in a New York right now. Might just have to go right in a rent if it can pay rent. So don't make it look like you get up in a age and congested. Because if you find a husband now as where you are search for, because I never know your last or put on no out there, you search. You must Google. You know, if you find one right now and him say come live in New York, congestion, pan top of congestion now, but you're glad figure in New York. Because all those expenses won't be on you. You don't have to go to your bed tomorrow morning worrying about the rent. You find a man who can afford to pay the rent. So congestion and age and living in New York and whatsoever wouldn't be a problem to you. All of that you not talk that. Right, like what you say now. You gonna live in New York. You understand? You not in a state of mind and condition financially if you say you don't want to live outside of New York, more peace, quiet and calm. Only one reason why you don't want to do that. Because you cannot afford to pay New York rent. Other people might can afford to pay New York rent who don't want to live in New York because of what you are talking about, the congestion and the business and the, you know, the everyday probably nice 24 hour the day and all them something there. Them just want to live in a nice, peaceful, calm state. But they can afford to live in New York. But that is the reason why they choose not to. It's not because them can't afford, but them want some peace and quiet. And with peace and quiet and those type of lifestyle, man I say you have to have a look at stone can pick up sometime. Because when hungry take care, certain things take care, remember you can't call next door. Probably you don't even know next door neighbor name. Probably you never even ever see next door neighbor unless you go sit up for bleach, you see them. Because probably when you wake up, them are go in. Or when you go to your bed, them come out. So you still have to have a few stones. Might not to pay the rent, but to live the life, you know, separating from, you know, yeah. And you don't have that, Marcia. And because you see and realize that all your days that you have been wasted, all my days I have been wasted. Who know the Buju Bantan there? Yes, man. All your days you have been wasted. No, you need those days. Because those days, although some of those funds were private charity, as me always I say, yes, you might spend a little cash from it, what you earned back then. And you spend it carelessly. Because from back then until now, the mentality where you have, mash you up completely. It's not we out here in social media do you anything. You understand? It's the mentality because guess what me know? You claim to say you never grew up, come up through no struggle. And to me, it not seems like your parents, biological parents, it have nothing at all. And this is why your adopted parents took you. And that's why you come out here, come brag and boast about what your adopted parents have. We never can hear you boast about what your biological parents have. It's what your adopted parents have. And from them go some woman take you up and take you to America. All your days has been wasted. You understand? And you just grow with this free mentality. And then now grow up now knowing what America have to offer to its citizens. You just play this laid back game and tell yourself, oh, American government is there for me if no one cares for me. You understand? You just tell yourself, say, American government will be there for me if I end up and no one cares for me. So you just live that careless life, the freelance life, and do what you want to do. And never think about this day, which would be your future in life, where you want to be at this time in life. You never consider about that and think about that and try to put nothing like that in place. And when it hits you hard, you come out here, oh, me don't want a house. What me I do with house? It take money for maintain house. This, that. It take money for maintain your van more than how you maintain a house. And do you buy a van? You go say, yes, because the van can carry from state to state. Yes, you can sleep in the van too, yes. But remember, the house provide a shelter for you. whether in a winter, autumn, or summer. You can't live in a your van right through those seasons. You understand? And your van can devalue, but the house won't devalue. Plus, you have to maintain that van every day, every week, or every month based on how you drive it. Because one of the main maintenance is to put fuel into it. And we're not talking about wear and tear yet. Where you have one tire, drive it for how long for this celebrity with two big nails in it. So all the way you come and talk now and make it look as if you're okay in life and you're comfortable in where you're reaching in life, and you try to find all the excuse to cover all that you have missed out on. All the days that you have wasted. You have all the excuse for it. We now go buy it.
You have to park on the road, and when snow time come, it's like you have to move just like anywhere else, but it's just like it's too congested. When you live in one area for too long, you get what? How would I move there back in the future? Yes. When me have a partner.
So, honestly, me not tell a lie on her. As she has said it, you know. Probably me just might be ahead of her in saying things. But see, she confirm it. Would I move back to New York? Yes. But when me have a partner. So what's the difference in you saying what you said earlier on, of the congestion and you going up in age and want somewhere else calmer? It's just because you can't afford to live in New York. Financial wise, you cannot afford to live in New York. But you find the excuse of your age and the congestion in New York why you wouldn't live in New York. But would I live back in New York? Yes. But I have to have a partner. Man, for use of that mask here, I look. But for your old age, you can't find none for use. People boy picking you where you want to take up and use. You want people boy picking if you come around and fix up your fuse. Your fuse can't light up again cause it blew a long time, cause man, for use a mask here, I look. If you find another man, and him a go take your light bulbs.
If
But you have to
if my
calculate
friend
here.
mother wasn't still alive and do whatever, he may not move far away, but him now come move and knows not go look for him mother, the mother hole. I love him mother.
Oh man, him will love you more. Him will love you more. So, that you say.
No matter how late he come from work, I look for him mother. Some people just if it wasn't for that, me and him move and go about business.
So it if it wasn't for his mother, she would have moved and gone about her business. So basically she's thinking of going to New York because she presently has a partner. And once she has a partner, she would have moved to New York because that partner would have financed all that bill. Oh. Okay, Marcia. I see. Now, I see with a TV, radio, and all that sitting there. But I see. Who you to? The man tell you say want to live video. If you can't show that man,
You can't.
I live him a live video.
New York City will take your money. You know them a hard time when whole of people lose their jobs. You know, so say a pay robot and delivery down bank, a close a left machine. One somebody and two somebody in a bank. Back in the days, they got a bank at 10, at 5, 6, 7, somebody in the window. Nobody in that banking machine take it over and don't get worse. And now them have vehicle, people when they drive the car, and them have car, you set it, program it, and then come deliver food at your house with nobody in there. Everything is online. So where
Yeah, the only way to get worse.
everybody get
Oh, you never prepare for it.
They order how much thing me just come from big father house and me look me see one heap of package at the door. Everybody in the house order things, one heap of package.
Me glad you know, and realize it a go get worse. But you realize at a late stage in life, where you can't turn back the ends of time. Because all those wastage of money that you have been all around the world, been around the world tonight. Moss, you don't know where to go. She just been around the world tonight. You never know, say you're going to reverse. So it me say you never make the preparation. So now you see say it going to get worse. It is too late. So you want people boy pitney. Next woman boy pitney now. When work out him so course have him $2 put down. For him biological family. Whether mother, father, pitney or whatsoever. Or even him wife. Because I can't a married man you're there. If you come now and fit your bill to make you comfortable. When you did have the opportunity to make yourself comfortable. You saw life go? You want to come put strain up on people, boy, pitney. To make your life comfortable. For American. Remember now, you know. I don't like it just reach America and the 2 year and things now turn and things hard for you or whatsoever, you know. Almost all of your life you have been into America. You grew up in the system. You understand? You grew up in the system. And no preparation did make for this age and time. And you choose now and use people boy pitney away. This man I know should I think about, you say him mother still alive. Think about him mother, him pitney and whatsoever. You want him end up think about you. But actually mother still alive. So you wish she pass now. So you can't get life with him.
And that's everybody I don't know.
Why?
You go for a Sheen. Sheen have all kind of sitting up there.
Then you can't go on it to go buy, man. You love cheapness, you know. Go on a Sheen, but my your Sheen no shine. You understand? Man, when you got Sheen, your Sheen no shine. Hey. People, we have come to the end of the video right now.
Yeah, we take the credit.
Yeah,
We
listen
take
to more.
credit for use the pages and talk and encourage, but are the people who give the money.
She gone now. Hold on. What people? Man said it talk as if like this woman here, where she do little charity for. I think yesterday she come out and she say, she a mark there. When you can't stop it. She will get her things then. She will get deep freeze. She will get queen size. She will get single bed. And she will get stove. And something else she named. 5 things. And I was questioning. The woman not have no space to put an extra bed. Not even a double bed when you ask her. So why you buy her so much things? So basically, you refurnish her place. You turn out the old things then. But you have to turn out the old things then with an old stuff where you claim to say is visible from inside to see the sky. You can't tell what kind of cloud through the zinc. Why not take some of those money, make the woman keep some of the things that she have already, and take some of the money and fix the old stuff and give her what is necessary what she need right now. 2, you introduce her and encourage this woman to go into a business of selling bag juice. Do you know if the woman have light? Do you know if the woman have electricity? And if she do have electricity, I feel like a toss up. You buy her a deep freeze today for her to do the business. No problem, you know. Make you think wise now, wise way I think now. Because you can't say you help somebody and you as a person who help them, there's no guidance to them. You have to help them financially, as what you try to do, to make them better off. But at the same time, you can't just get the funds or get the things and give them. You have to also lead them in a path where them understand. Plus, you have to analyze situation and also help to make the decision. A chop, more than likely a chop she have. You buy this fridge today and within a week, the fridge leak. What happened? she got back to square one. Not to mention if she have this whole heap of juice in there and it now sell out fast. God forbid, you know. But we just say you have to think wise. You can't help somebody at the same time you help them. You now put them on a good footing. It's like you give a man a plate of food, but the plate of food you give him one big plate of food, everybody say, Lord God, him love him. Lord God, him love her. One big plate of food. But you know, tomorrow morning when time you wake up in belly around, it don't make no sense. You understand? Give the person a good plate of food. Make them belly full or a small plate of food. You know if you have no. And them belly full and tomorrow them wake up them okay. Why never encourage this woman to go into a dry business instead of refrigerated business? In selling little soap, cheese tricks, little knicks-knacks were dry goods. We're not going to take much from her. Because if she even have a place where she appear light, which I doubt, as I said, by going into that fridge, opening a more light bill that she going to even pay. So probably she didn't even make a profit from what she going to sell. So why never introduce this woman to some form of dry goods to start her off, and if she pick up and you know things are going fair in her sense, she can move on to step up on something else because she depend on a little footing now. Why you don't cast a foundation as the person who say you lead this woman in helping her? You just make she jam 2 post hole in the ground and you put up the house on it, and then down in the winter season when the breeze start blow, also alright and look good, you know, but in the winter season when breeze start blow, the house blow down. It don't make no sense. It never makes sense to help her. Because basically you help her because you look mileage from it. So you just want to get over it and done and show. Say, see there? Yeah, she gets 2 up. She get, because you come out and name it, you know. And you come out and you name the price, everything like them already buy. Me never know say them not buy yet, you know, listen. Just still a look donation.
We not gonna take people money. We not gonna take my supporters them and donate and take money and get credit for it. See how me do it. No, not me. Me take my pages and targets and encourage, but are the people them. Whoever they
you're frightened over the angel that big up in the story. You're frightened. Superstar like you shouldn't frighten over that. The angel that big up members lonely. A mistake she make when she say members only are lonely. Lonely should I be. Anyway, people. I'm done with that right now. You're not going further. Because it doesn't make no sense. Because she claimed to say she a laugh and make monkey face off her way. And to my understanding, all the way she come out here and say the woman have and no done deal. It's like the woman go win the shop, ask the price, or people tell her, ask the price how much your stove, ask the price how much your fridge, ask the price how much of this, and she asks the price. So she could have come out here, you know, just see the camera, comes 17,000 for this, 20,000 for this, 37,000 for this, yes. But here still talk about, when you can't donate, you know, donate man, if not care small it is, because we still need some more money. So how you come out here and make it look like say it's a done deal. It's just a transportation for drop it at her foot. Me not understand you. And then you say you nah do this for clout. You do it for clout. A clout here look. Clout you looking. Speak my mind people. Thanks for watching, you know. Happy Friday, you know. Who never get paid last week or them blank week, them get paid this week. Because remember last week was blank week for some who get paid fortnight. And it was paid day for everybody will get paid month-end and weekly. So basically, it's only the month-end people them now get paid this week. But the blank week and the domino with I night, I get paid this week. So happy Friday, spend wisely. All the man them will love get paid and go a girl bush and liquor bush and all kind of bush. You better be careful. Yes man. Speak my mind people, don't know to do like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, and hit the thumbs up and donate the video. Please to watch the ads, continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV. And remember, Life with Gabby and Chevy is in the comment section. I have not drink any water because Me I gonna have some nightcap now, people. Me I drink some Surgery Island milk and cornflakes and probably eat a banana bread. I have a thing me I look a video me I do on the channel, on the next channel. 1 week of nightcap. So you can go over there go see where me eat and how me eat at night time just before me go to bed. You know someone go say, boy lad, so much food you eat when you go to bed. Some people say me eat too much. Some people don't even know say one time a day me eat. If I don't eat a breakfast and I buy a lunch, that lunch serve me for the whole day. Sometimes I'll eat and left. Even in the 2 of the nightcap vlog, I eat and left lunch. The meat part me use to make sandwich in the night. But true, most of these people see me, most of the time when them see me I eat, them feel like say, me always, no. You just lucky to see when me I eat the one time for the day. Or the second time for the day. So, I don't see the cup today drinking the water because I'm going to have some surgery milk and cornflakes and a banana bread. Speak my mind entertainment. One nation stands alone. Go over there and support Charms and Trends. This was my first, gift to me from them. And this year they come on board and, give me some things to give to the schoolers to go back to school. So me they're gonna go support them. Charms and Trends. That shop. Just go straight to the website if you don't have Instagram. If you do have Instagram, you can go to Instagram, go on the page and see what you like and then drop in them DM. Make them know, boy, I want this customizer, so I want it, and I want my name this, or I want my daughter name this, or I want my husband name, so I want the color, and I want my wife name, so yeah, and put this right there, so only see whole heap of things over there. Whole heap of things over there. And remember, the festive season is around the corner. And the best time to shop is now, because when the festive season come, price of things gone up. So the best time now to shop is some things you want to know you're going to need, or you might want, and whatsoever. Charms and Trends. And on Instagram, it's charmed _and_trends. Charm spelled CHARMED _AND and _ trend TRENDS. Trends. Bless upon yourself and thanks for watching. Love you know. All new subscribers, big up yourself. If you're in that 18% who have not yet subscribed, get yourself out. I will tell you when it reaches 15%. When it reaches 15%, I will tell you, and who over there want to stay, or find yourself over there, know you're not haters and want to jump out, left them to show them up, you still can't jump out. But when it comes down to that 15%, I will be satisfied. 85% of you must subscribe who are watching. Leave 15% to haters, fast buyers, and who want fast. I'm out.